Waiting on you. Ready?
Yeah, make sure nobody coming.
You must be scared.
Yeah, you trying to rush.
I'm not trying to rush. I'm trying to hurry up for somebody to come.
I understand you making me nervous. Like you trying to give me something. Like,
somebody might come.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Come on in.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, you stressed out or something?
No, I ain't stressed out. Why you say that?
Yeah, I know you smell that.
Smell what?
I ain't gonna go down there.
I don't smell nothing.
I don't see how you don't. I damn so smell. I ain't about to go down there.
What it smell like?
I don't know, but I ain't going down there. I ain't know.
Well, it ain't me.
Who else it is?
It could be you.
I ain't going down. You know what? My damn stomach hurt.
What's wrong with it?
I ain't for go down. I ain't going down there.
Just come on for a little bit. Come on.
No, you need to go in the damn house and wipe off or something. I'm not for to do that.
I don't need to wipe off. I just bathed.
No, you need to go in the bath again. I ain't for do that.
No, I took a bath and I don't smell nothing.
I know you smell that if I can smell it. Like you
what it smell like?
You must be stressed out.
No, I'm not stressed out.
It gotta be something. She gotta be. No, it ain't coming from up here. You ain't going down below your belly button.
Oh, down there.
Yeah, that boy. You know what?
You like you ain't smelled a little funk before.
Hey, shit, I smell a little. I usually keep my, hold my nose, my breath. But this I can taste it. It's going in my mouth.
You know what?
You know what? My homeboy told me. But
told you what?
He had already told me. I was like, I'm
gonna go never
check.
Had me.
I'm going. He said he was about to, but he told me the same thing. I was like, I'm gonna just check for myself. You know, people be lying.
And he was lying, and you is too.
Nah, that nigga ain't lying. I can't do that. Matter of fact, I supposed to be picking my grandma up.
Come on.
I gotta go pick my damn grandma up.
That ain't gonna take long.
No, I ain't doing that. I ain't even do that. I'm gonna let you go on.
So you gonna leave?
Hey, no, you finna leave. I ain't even take you back home. You gotta catch a ride. You let that thing air out.
I'm not catching a ride home. You brought me up here. You gonna take me back home?
I ain't take you back home. I ain't doing that. You gotta walk home.
Oh, come on, you wanna go in the house, go to bed?
Hell no. I don't wanna do none of that.
What you mean?
I ain't even horny no more. I'm straight. I don't even feel like doing nothing.
All right, well, let me do something to you then.
I'm straight. I don't want you to do nothing to me. If that smell, I can imagine how your mouth smell.
Are you?
I don't even want to do that.
Are you serious?
I'm straight.
You ain't gotta be so rude. You real rude. You know that?
I wonder why you trying to give it to me so bad. That's why. You need to slow down.
You were begging for it. No, you were begging for it.
I was, but now guys taught me a lesson. Stop begging for stuff.
I took a bath. I don't care what you say. I know I bathed.
I ain't never said
I don't smell nothing.
I didn't say you didn't bathe. Did I say that? I didn't say you didn't bathe. I didn't say that.
Like I was thinking. I just got a shower.
You might be stressed out. That's all I'm saying.
I'm not stressed out. I know I took a bath.
But you need whatever you've been doing here in the street. You need to slow down. Cause this him.
I told you I might be musty. They said.
Yeah, far from must. Must ain't even the word. Must ain't even the damn word. But I can't do it. I can't.
Take me back home.
I ain't supposed to be him.